Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2018 Toyota Sienna Limited. Now the most notable features on this Limited is its parking sensors. You have your 360 degree backup camera along with your DVD player. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2018 Toyota Sienna Limited. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Limited is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. Taking a closer look just at the front grille here, you're going to see your front-facing camera for the 360-degree backup camera, along with your parking sensors. Over on the side, you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. On the mirrors, you have the integrated signal lamps, down-facing camera for both sets for your 360-degree backup camera. And I'm just going to show you really quickly just what your second row looks like. So taking a closer look on the inside here, as you can see, you have your captain's seats in the second row, and you have the sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows, just so you can block out some of that sun. Now up top here, you have your DVD player, and then if you take a look just over on the side here, you'll find the close button for the power sliding rear door. Now, parents, if you're worried about yourself or your kids getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that. It comes with a jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And then you can close the doors from the outside just by pulling on the handle once. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. And taking a closer look at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your light gray leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver seat and lumbar support. Over on the left-hand side, you have your traction control on and off, parking sensors on and off, view for your 360-degree backup camera, heated steering wheel, and then if you take a look just on the left-hand side, you have your seat memory controls along with your mirror controls, power folding mirror button, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seat function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now, it does offer you the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features, which include a digital speedometer with distance to empty, average fuel economy, and then you can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio, lane departure alert with your messages and your settings menu with the ECT power, blind spot monitoring on or off, your cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, as well as a couple of other additional features. Taking a closer look now at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features. So if you go inside your menu screen, you have your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, if you go inside the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, it does have the JBL sound system with the Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls located down below, hazard lights, matted to an automatic transmission, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and auxiliary input, your power outlet. And if you take a look at the very top here, you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, open and closed for your power sliding rear doors, power lift gate, open and close for the power moonroof as well, and your SOS Safety Connect. Now, taking a closer look just at your backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you. When you back into a stall, you can also change up the backup camera view to a more dynamic view, your traditional backup camera view, and a 360 view. Now, when you put the vehicle into drive and you actually hit that view button that's located on your driver's side beside your heated steering wheel, it'll show up with this front-facing camera view. So if you want, you can keep it on auto, which makes things a little bit easier for you, especially when you're doing underground parking, because when it's on auto, anything under 10 kilometers an hour will stay on this screen, and then after that, it'll go back to the previous screen you were on. Now, when you're in park and you hit that view button, it'll show you a nice close-up view and a more aerial view for the 360-degree backup camera. That way you can see if there's any obstructions in your way just before you pull out of the driveway in the morning. And then when you're all finished up, just hit the view button once more and it'll go back to the previous screen you were on. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you have the backup camera just on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release located in the center there. Now, as you can see, it does come with an additional set of rims and tires, and as you can see, even if they're all on one side of the vehicle, you still have plenty of space if you want to have the 40 side of your third row up. Now, the other thing is it does come with the cargo liner in the back, which is great because if you spill any liquids back here, it makes things a little bit easier to clean up afterwards, just because you can have it removed and clean up properly afterwards. You have some storage space over on the left-hand side as well. And over on the right, you're going to see that power outlet as well. And then when you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically, making things a little bit easier for you, especially when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.